Hi, my name is Kyle, and for my final project, I would like to do 3D modeling. I chose to do 3D modeling because this software was very fun to use. For our labs that week, I really enjoyed playing with the software, making a fidget spinner out of it, um, and it was just a ton of fun building something that practically was nothing. And I feel like if I do this, I would learn more about the software and certainly just help me become a better 3D modeler. Um, for my project, I had two ideas when it comes down to it. I was thinking of doing a graphics card or a car engine. I mostly chose those two because it was something that I also wanted to learn more and how they function. I'm probably going to pick the graphics card because I'm mostly using my computer. I want to know how it powers it. Well, not power, but I want to know how it basically makes all the images in my monitor possible and how it makes it look good. Um, I would probably choose the graphics card because of its smaller frame and it's probably easier to work with than a car engine. But there are some stuff that a car engine could provide, like that's helpful for the future. But I think I would like to stick to graphics cards and learn more about them. For my collaboration, I do want to work with someone who wants to learn more about the software as well. Someone who found the 3D modeling lab that we did fun, and I want to work with you, whoever you are. And I also do think that if you are interested in graphics cards and how they work, feel free to contact me and we'll have fun working together. Also, if you're a gamer, just let me know that too. That might be something that we can find to be helpful. Alright, thank you.